Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize SEO strategies with WordPress step by step clearly. To begin optimizing your SEO strategies with WordPress, ensure you have a self-hosted WordPress.org site. Start by selecting a reputable SEO plugin. Yoast SEO and Rank Math are popular options. Once you've installed the plugin, navigate to its settings. Begin by configuring the general settings. Set your site title and tagline to something that effectively represents your content. Next, focus on your site structure. Create clear and concise URLs. Make them descriptive and devoid of unnecessary characters. Utilize breadcrumbs for easy navigation. This improves user experience and assists search engines. Now, optimize your content. Conduct keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest. Identify long-tail keywords relevant to your niche. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your posts. Ensure they are included in your title, headings, and meta descriptions. Don't overlook image optimization. Use descriptive file names and alt text for each image. This enhances the accessibility and SEO of your visuals. Next, improve your site speed. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to analyze your speed. Optimize images and minimize CSS and JavaScript files. Consider using a caching plugin for faster load times. Now, focus on mobile optimization. Choose a responsive theme that ensures your site looks great on all devices. Test your site on various screen sizes to confirm functionality. Next, create high-quality backlinks. Reach out to relevant websites for guest posting opportunities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.